Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another video and today we are going to have a look at Resemble.ai. So Resemble.ai is an AI powered voice synthesis tool that supports numerous features. So it has features to convert text to speech, speech to speech. You can create new voices, you can control the emotional tone of your voice based on different genders, age groups and accents. So extremely useful tool to create your audio avatars which can be utilized for creating online content for YouTube, Instagram. At the same time, it can be used to also create voices of celebrities and politicians and film stars. So today, let's take a look at all those features in this video. Do not go anywhere because this is going to be one of the best and interesting video on audio AI. And not to forget, this is not a sponsored video. It has just been done for the sake of learning and understanding Resemble.ai. So without further ado, let's get straight to the demo. So guys, let's first have a look at the UI. So you have to go to the website app.resemble.ai and do a sign up with your personal email ID, then do a login, and then you will be greeted with this kind of a screen. If you look at the left panel, it provides you multiple options here. First is text to speech, then speech to speech, voice design, new voice creation, a studio widgets, audio editing, and DeepFake detection as well. You can have simulations, identity monitoring, you can have a repository of all your voices and the projects that you have, okay? So these are the options that is available to you. If you look at this help here, so they have this very important and easy to use widget where it talks about what all features you can use and what you have already made use of. So it's a kind of a small checklist that they provide you so that you can easily understand their tool and make sure that all the features you have tried on your own. So let's take a look at our first demo. Our first demo is going to be the text to speech utility. So I have some text here which I'll copy here and paste it. And here you have different voice options. For example, I have picked up the Amber as a voice option, but you have multiple options that you can try below here, okay? So Amber is something which we will try in our first example. So I'll hit the play button.
Our solar system has 9 planets, sun satellites. Sun is in the middle while planets revolve around the sun. There are some asteroids, comets as well. Jupiter is the largest planet. Mercury is the closest to Sun. Life exists only on Earth. Mars is the red planet.
So as you can see that the voice is very clear. It is able to identify the text very well and convert it into an audio. Now we will try to make use of a different voice pattern. Let's say we try Olga, which is more like a Russian voice, suitable for podcasts, social media, gaming, accented and a female voice. So let's pick Olga and we try to use the same text to convert that into audio. Let's see how the audio comes out, how it comes out.
Our solar system has 9 planets, sun satellites. Sun is in the middle while planets revolve around the sun.
So you can notice that here we have a heavy voice with a heavy Russian accent when it is talking about the sentence that we had provided. So as you can see, the text to speech is a great utility that ResembleAI has prepared. It has various voice patterns that you can play around with and it provides you different options here. For example, an AI voice, there are voices with different names like American, British, urban, whispering voice, then you can have legacy, podcast voice. We have already tried Olga, but then you can also have some other explanations below there and make a choice of your accent and the voice tonality that you want from here, okay? So you have different tonality options, different options for accents, gender and age based as well. So based on these filter parameters, you can always make a choice of the audio. So in the next demo, ResembleAI also provides you an option to create your own voice. You can make use of pre-recorded voice patterns as I had shown in the first demo. At the same time, what you can do is you can have a look at the sample recordings. For example, in this demo, I have chosen a voice of Tanja, which is more like an American voice, voice assistant, sales, podcast, social media, and games. So this is the voice that comes out with the podcast intro. Let's take a look at that.
This is the Resemble AI podcast, where technology meets creativity and voices come alive. Today, we're diving into a fascinating.
So as you can see, I think Resemble has done a very good job of creating a voice which is more suitable for podcasts or online conversations between two or more hosts. We'll take a look at another feature which is called as voice design. So we hit voice design, and here you are given an option to provide the voice of a particular category that you would like to produce. For example, what I have given here is I need a voice which is deep with heavy tonality, and the voice should be that of a male. You can hit the generate button. It will try to generate the voice. It takes some 30 odd seconds to generate, and let's see how does the output comes like. So now it has come up with the 3 options for us. You can play with each of those options. We'll see with the first option.
Listen closely. For every word I speak carries the weight of experience. There's strength in vulnerability, and I am here to guide you through the shadows of uncertainty. Together, we will.
So as you can see from the voice pattern, we asked it to create a deep, heavy voice of a male, and I think it has done a fairly good job of creating the outputs. The voice is very good in quality as well, and we can use it for any of our videos or audio profile that we want to create for online content. Now let's try another voice pattern. So I have that. So what I have told the Resemble AI is to create a soft and sorrowful voice of a female who is in shock. Let's try with this. Okay, so the output has started coming in, and we have been given 3 options. Let's try the first option.
I can't believe this is happening. It feels like a dream, a nightmare I can't wake up from.
Yeah.
Every moment is heavy.
So as you can see, I think this particular voice pattern as well, which is that of a female voice, which is soft yet sorrowful and is in shock. I think the first option is good. It has come out with a very good quality of the sound, and it can be utilized for any of your online content. Overall, a very good job in getting a good quality voice from the tool. Let's take a look at the option 2.
I can't believe this is happening. It's as if the world has just stopped spinning. My heart feels so heavy, like it's shattered.
So even the second option has come out very well. I think both the sound qualities that we got from this particular example are of good quality and do resemble the content that we had given as input, and it has done a fairly good job of converting the description of the voice and generated a voice of that nature. So good. There's another cool feature that Resemble AI provides. It is called as new voice. So here you are given an option to design your own voice, which you can craft it on as a basis of an AI voice. You can refine and retry, or you could also try to clone a particular voice, which you can give it either via microphone, or you can provide a sample file. Say for example, here you can record an instant audio input with this record button, or you can upload a file. So what I have done is I have created a simple upload file based on the so I've used a mobile phone to record my voice, and that file I have provided this tool as an input, and then I have asked it to create a clone of that voice. So let's take a look at that particular output.
Hey there, it's me. Well, technically, it's you. What would you like me to say next?
So as you can see, I think it has done a very good job of cloning my voice. It maintains the same tone, the same quality, and the same pitch in which I usually talk. So overall, a good job in terms of creating new voices also. So Resemble AI also provides you another cool feature which can come in very handy in modern days, is about deepfake detection. So if you go to the deepfake detection, right now I can see that this particular feature is only available to the enterprise customers, but I think going by whatever quality of output that Resemble AI has been able to produce, I think if this feature is also rolled out to larger audience, we will be able to identify if a particular voice pattern is showing traits of deepfake. So overall, so that's it for the demo today, guys. Today we had a look at Resemble.ai. It's a very powerful AI powered voice synthesis tool that supports numerous features. We looked at all those features, and the most important feature that I liked was the deepfake detection. But something which is available only for the enterprise customers, but if it does what it promises to do, I think it's going to be extremely useful in today's AI era. So do let me know, how did you like the video, how was the content, and what is the next content you would like to see on my channel. Do let me in the comment section. If you haven't thought about subscribing the channel, do that right away, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.